Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be exploring the remaining part of Havelock Island, and also this will be the last day in Havelock. Havelock Island, officially known as Swaraj Dweep, is one of the largest islands that comprises to east of Great Andamans. According to our itinerary, our plan was to visit Elephant Beach and Lighthouse. This beach can be visited via trek through jungle or by speedboat. Elephant Beach is a place where most of the water sports activities are conducted, such as snorkeling, jet ski, scuba diving, and many more. Our plan was cancelled as the boats were not allowed to ride due to bad weather conditions. So we had to change our plan and decided to visit Kalapathar beach. Kalapathar beach is a beautiful beach with silky golden sands, blue waters and coconut trees all around. The beach goes by its name Kalapathar because of numerous black rocks that are present inside the water and on the shore. The remains of the trees that were uprooted during 2004 tsunami are still scattered on the shore, making the beach more attractive for the photographers to click beautiful photographs. This place is just the right place to relax and spend some time with nature. As you saw that we had to change our plan of Elephant Beach due to bad weather conditions. This happens frequently due to high tidal waves. So I recommend you not to plan your trip in monsoon season, as traveling from one island to another is only by the means of boats and it will be impossible for boats to leave the shore. Next, we went to a reef-side restaurant to have our lunch. The view of the reef was amazing. Also, the place was just perfect for the photo shoots. In the evening, we hired a scooty. The rates for the scooty were 500 rupees for 24 hours. You won't believe, guys, this is the same beach which we saw in the morning. The water went far away due to the low tide that we literally had to walk so far to wet our feet. The black rocks and the corals were clearly visible on the shores due to low tide. Then we headed towards Vijayanagar beach. This is a less crowded beach as there were no water sports activities available at this beach. But it was peaceful place to just relax and have a evening walk. And that's it for the day, guys. My next vlog will be of Neil Island, that is the vegetable bowl of Andamans, where I will be experiencing more of marine life. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to never miss any videos on my channel. If you haven't watched my other videos, the link is given in the description box. Thank you and stay tuned.